To set up Xfinity Wi-Fi without a coax cable, you will need to use the Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot or the Xfinity mobile network. First, ensure you have an active Xfinity Internet subscription and a compatible Wi-Fi router. If you do not have a router, you can purchase one from Xfinity or use your own. Begin by downloading the Xfinity Wi-Fi app on your mobile device. This app will help you find and connect to Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspots. Once you have the app, create an account or log in with your existing Xfinity credentials. Next, locate an Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot in your area. You can do this by using the app or by visiting the Xfinity website. Hotspots are typically located in public areas such as coffee shops, malls, and parks. If you prefer to have Wi-Fi at home without a coax cable, consider purchasing an Xfinity mobile device. These devices use cellular networks to provide internet access and can be used as a Wi-Fi hotspot. To set up your Xfinity mobile device as a Wi-Fi hotspot, follow the instructions provided with the device. Typically, you will need to insert a SIM card, charge the device, and turn it on. Then, use the Xfinity Wi-Fi app to connect to the device and start using the internet. When setting up your Xfinity Wi-Fi network, make sure to use a strong and unique password to secure your connection. You should also enable WPA2 encryption to protect your data from unauthorized access. In addition to using the Xfinity Wi-Fi app, you can also use the Xfinity XFi app to manage your home network. This app allows you to see which devices are connected to your network, set parental controls, and pause Wi-Fi access during certain times of the day. By following these steps, you can set up Xfinity Wi-Fi without a coax cable and enjoy fast and reliable internet access at home or on the go. Remember to always follow best practices for securing your Wi-Fi network to protect your data and devices.